Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're thinking about starting an online store, you've probably been wondering, is WooCommerce better than Shopify? Which of these e-commerce platforms is the best choice for you in the 2025? Well, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform suits your business needs. But before we start, I found a really great deal for Shopify, which is a 90-day free trial, which you won't find anywhere else. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the description. Let's get straight to it. Shopify versus WooCommerce, two giants in the e-commerce world. Both let you build an online store, sell products, and make money, but they operate in very different ways. Shopify is an all-in-one platform that takes care of hosting, security, and updates for you. You sign up, pick a theme, add products, and you're ready to start selling. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and designed to grow with your business. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a plugin for WordPress, which means you need to handle hosting, security, and maintenance yourself. This gives you more customization and flexibility, but it also requires more technical knowledge. So, Shopify or WooCommerce? If you want a done-for-you solution that's easy to set up and includes 24/7 support, Shopify is the way to go. If you prefer full control over your store's design, functionality, and costs, and you don't mind dealing with the technical side, then WooCommerce might be better. Now, let's talk pricing because that's where things get interesting. Shopify versus WooCommerce pricing is structured very differently. Shopify has clear, fixed plans starting at $29 per month, with higher tier plans offering advanced tools and reporting. But if you don't use Shopify payments, Shopify charges transaction fees on every sale. WooCommerce itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain, and any premium plugins or themes you want. That means your costs can vary depending on how you set things up. If you're not careful, WooCommerce can end up being just as expensive or even more expensive than Shopify in the long run. A big advantage of Shopify is how smoothly everything runs. Their themes are professional, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. WooCommerce, on the other hand, gives you thousands of themes to choose from, but setting everything up properly takes more time and effort. If you want full control over every detail of your online store, WooCommerce is the best option. But if you want a sleek, high-performing store that's ready to go out of the box, Shopify is unbeatable. Another key factor is customer support. If something goes wrong, Shopify's 24/7 support team is there to help. They have live chat, phone, and email support, making it easy to get assistance whenever you need it. WooCommerce doesn't have official support because it's an open-source platform. You'll have to rely on community forums, documentation, or hire a developer if you run into problems. If you don't want to waste time troubleshooting, Shopify is the safer choice. Now, let's talk about payments. Shopify has its own built-in payment system, Shopify Payments, which eliminates transaction fees. But if you use third-party payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, Shopify will charge you extra fees unless you're on their highest tier plan. WooCommerce supports multiple payment gateways with no extra platform fees. You only pay what your bank or payment processor charges. So, if keeping transaction costs low is your priority, WooCommerce has the edge. At the end of the day, the choice between WooCommerce versus Shopify comes down to what you need. If you want simplicity, professional support, and a store that works right out of the box, Shopify is hands down the best option. If you need total customization and don't mind handling the tech side of things, WooCommerce is the way to go. Whichever you choose, don't forget, use my link in the description for the best deal. You won't find this offer directly on their websites, so take advantage of it while it lasts. Let me know in the comments which e-commerce platform you think is better, Shopify or WooCommerce. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and tricks on growing your online store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.